thank you for subscribing, like and commenting. Happy New Year to everybody. So guys, today I've come up with this amazing green tea, hair oil and hair spray. So as guys, if you have you want to regrow your edges, you can use this. I've used this one for only 1 week and see the results. At least see my hair is not that old, but at least I've seen the results in short term, in a short period. So guys, please hey guys, today I'm back with something amazing, and today is, guess what, this is green tea. So I'm gonna be showing you how we can use green tea to regrow our hair. For those ones with falling hair, this is amazing for you, and it can help to boost your hair growth. So first of all, we have to remove this, then we shall open it and get our clean glass. Then you put inside. We shall use two bags, enough. Yeah, so guys, you see it's here. So we are going to have some hair oil. For me, I will be using olive oil. You see? Again. So guys, it will look like this. So after this, we are going to put it to do double boiling. First of all, we cover, then we do double boiling. So guys, you can put it in, you can do double boiling like for 30 minutes, and then you leave it out. When you leave it out, you remove it, then you keep it for 3 days. Then our oil is finished. After 3 days, you keep it, then you put after 3 days. So guys, our green tea oil is ready. It's time to filter. After 3 days, you filter it. It's ready. So guys, we're going to add some peppermint, oil together, just like 5 drops of tea tree, and also I have tea tree, so we're gonna add also. So guys, we have to get our clean bottle, then we're going to put the oil here and keep it. You can keep it in the fridge for some days. So guys, we have to put oil in the,
I cooked long time ago, just bottle.
You can keep it in the fridge for some days. So guys, about the spray, we are going to do the green tea hair spray. So we shall have our green tea bird. Then we just add some hot water, boiled water, by the way, not hot water but boiled water, and you leave it for some few minutes. Then you put in your spray bag. So guys, our tea is also ready. Yeah, as you can see. So we have to get a clean bottle like this. Then we're going to put it inside so that we can keep it well. So guys, this one you can spray. You can always spray in the morning. You wash your hair very well, then you spray. It's okay every day, because actually even green tea can help on the dandruff. It's really very nice. You just spray on your scalp until the end of your hair. And also the oil, you can also always put some drops. You can also do it every day or 3 times a day. Sorry, every day or 3 times a week. Yeah, for better results. Otherwise, thank you guys. Please subscribe, like, and share. Help help my account to grow. And also, guys, you can comment on whatever you want me to do. I'll be doing it. Thank you. I love you all.